POKKET, a new kind of structured savings account for your digital assets. Let us show you how it works. All our savings are fixed for a period of 1 week. When you create a new saving, your token is locked for a period of 1 week until maturity. The interest rate is set and fixed on the day the new saving is created, and the interest is paid upon expiry along with the initial amount. Because we offer structured saving for crypto assets using derivatives, our interest rates are correlated with market volatility of the asset. This is how we are able to provide our users with higher interest rates. Our interest rates are updated daily at 0700 Universal Coordinated Time and are valid for 24 hours. Our structured saving products are designed for you to take advantage of market swings. You will be able to automatically buy tokens when the market goes down and sell tokens when the market goes up, all while earning interest. When you create a token structure saving with us, there are two potential outcomes at maturity. If the token price has gone up by more than 10% in 1 week at maturity, your token will be converted to a stablecoin 110% of the starting price and returned to you. The interest earned will also be paid in stablecoin. If the token price does not appreciate 10% at maturity, your saving is paid back in the original token you've saved plus the interest. For example, suppose you created a token savings when the price was $10,000 and the price of token is $11,010 after 1 week, rising more than 10%. In this case, the token you saved is converted to a stable coin and you will receive $11,000 plus the interest in stable coin. However, if the token price is $9,990 after 1 week of maturity, then you will receive your token plus the interest paid in the same token. Our newest product, Stablecoin Structured Savings, is a creative and profitable way to earn interest on your stablecoins. Structurally, it is the opposite of our traditional structured savings product. Here is how it works. When creating a new stablecoin saving, you first select the underlying token. If the stablecoin appreciates 9% against the token at maturity, your stablecoin will be converted into the chosen underlying token at 91% of the starting price. In other words, you purchased your chosen token at a 9% discount, all while earning interest. The interest earned will also be paid in the underlying token at 91% of the starting price. If the stablecoin does not appreciate 9% against the token of maturity, then your stablecoin will be returned to you along with the interest earned. Select from the two types of structured saving products and earn interest on your cryptos today. By using these two types of structured saving products, you will be able to take full advantage of the market volatility, buying when price is cheap and selling when price is high, all the while earning high interest returns.